Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an oil pressure sensor. First, gather your tools, including a 27mm deep socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. The oil pressure sensor is usually located on the back of the engine block, often near the oil filter or distributor. Accessing it might require removing some components for better reach. Safety first, always. Once you've located the sensor, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling it off. Next, use your 27mm deep socket and ratchet to loosen the old sensor. Turn it counterclockwise until it's completely free. Have a rag ready, as a small amount of oil will likely leak out when the sensor is removed. This is normal, so don't worry. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of thread sealant to its threads. This helps prevent leaks. Carefully thread the new sensor into the engine block by hand, ensuring it's not cross-threaded. Once hand-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 15 foot-pounds. Over-tightening can damage the sensor or the engine block. Finally, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your new oil pressure sensor. Double-check that it's securely seated. Before starting the engine, check your oil level and top it off if needed. Start the engine and observe the oil pressure gauge for proper readings. Also, visually inspect the area around the new sensor for any leaks. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.